The Hanuman Mantra Pack. Manifest health, harmony, and divine grace. Buy now for only $20. Was $47. What is Hanuman Mantra? Hanuman Mantras are very powerful and vibrational holy poems, one of which is composed by the great Saint Goswami Tulsidas. Tulsidas is known to be the reincarnation of Saint Valmiki. Tulsidas wrote the verses in the state of Samadhi in Haridwar, with all his 7 chakras open. The 2 Hanuman mantras invoke the divine energies of the Supreme God. Whoever meditates while listening to Hanuman mantras will attract grace, peace, and self-development. Playing any Hanuman mantra wards off negative energies, diminishes Saturn effect, and helps those who suffer from mental stress or nightmares. It provides the person with the mental power and bravery to tackle the fears and problems of life. Spiritual benefits of Hanuman Mantra. Playing any Hanuman Mantra audio will invoke God's divine vibrations and assistance in solving issues, and warding off evil spirits and negative energies. Daily listening to the Hanuman Mantras can help one to overcome stress and trauma. If you listen to any of the 2 Hanuman Mantra in the pack before going to bed, it can help you sleep better. Hanuman Mantras are helpful in freeing oneself of the karmic effects of the bad deeds done in the past. Those who experience stress should meditate while listening to the Hanuman Mantra. You will instantly feel at ease. For those seeking realization, using the Hanuman Mantra will assist with acquiring insight and spiritual knowledge. Playing the Hanuman Mantra audio chants will promote life harmony and remove negative energies from the environment. Mantra previews, 33.33 seconds. In Sanskrit, a mantra is a sacred utterance, a numinous sound, a syllable, word, or a collection of words with enigmatic, magical, or spiritual vibrations. A mantra or chalisa are of the same nature. Mantra is made up of 2 parts, man, which refers to the mind, and tra, which refers to transportation or vehicle. In other words, a mantra is a mental instrument, a powerful sound or vibration that you can use to create your own reality or enter a deep state of meditation and reflection. It can be thought of as a seed for activating an intention or vibration, similar to a seed sown with the aim of blossoming into a beautiful possibility. Contents: 2 extremely powerful Hanuman mantras. Full mantra duration, 1055 minutes and 1400 hours minutes. High-quality audio chants, WAV and MP3 files. Instructions to make the best use of the mantras. Correct and melodious recitation. Extremely powerful divine posters, printable, depicting the divine grace of God and positivity. Added bonus. Full pack size 305 megabytes, digital zip pack file. Buy now. Yograj Om. Yograj Om is a yogi and mystic with a mission of spreading the ancient knowledge of living a great life with the help of mantras and mystical energies. May God bless you with everything beautiful. Wealth, success, wisdom. Prosperity, health. Love. Want to ask something from a mystic? Send your message and Yograj Om will get back to you shortly. Email. Subject: your message. Send. Experience the divine within. Contact us. Legal notice. For any queries and support, email us at yograj.queries@gmail.com. Privacy policy. Copyright 2023 Yograj Om.